Hi, I'm Taysir Sulaiman from the University of North Carolina Adams School of Dentistry, and this is a short clip on how to temporize your partial coverage restorations. So you start off with making a putty of your pre-op condition. This is either from a wax up that you have made. You can use a putty or you can use a medium body PVS or Regisil, whatever you feel comfortable with. So here's the recording of the of your pre-op condition. And then this is simulating a mesiobuccal distal partial coverage restoration. After the preparation, you can see here that I'm using a separating medium. This is a water-soluble one, and I generously apply it to the preparation and to the adjacent teeth. And then here I'm using Luxacrown, which is a bisacryl temporary material. After squirting some out on a pad next to you, you can go ahead and apply it to your pre-op impression. And then you wait for it to set. I usually like to wait about 3 minutes, but you can see the area where it was first injected. It is not mixed properly, and so you want to make sure that you do squirt a generous amount of that on an adjacent pad. After the setting time, you start by removing your excess material. You can use any sharp instrument that you prefer. And then I'm removing the temporary material here, and then I'm using a carbide finishing burr to remove some of the excess material. And the speed that I like to use here is around 10,000 rounds per minute. And then I go back and check the fit of my temporary restoration, and then I like to use here Tempo ID, which is my go-to temporary cement. It's a resin-based cement. You can choose to spot etch your enamel, and then here I'm ensuring also mixing of paste A and paste B, applying a generous amount to my temporary material, and then placing it. You need an assistant here to hold the temporary in place. Take your time by using a micro brush and floss to clean the excess material. And what I like about Tempo ID is that it is a you can use the curing light to enhance polymerization of the temporary material. And here I'm using a carbide finishing burr also to blend in and finish the temporary. And then I like to use a silicon carbide or the Jiffy heads to add a nice polish to the temporary material. Luxacrown polishes really, really well. And then after the polishing process, you can elect to apply a glaze on top of that by using Luxa glaze, or you can keep it at that. Thank you very much for your kind attention.